In proof of stake. As you can see, the coins are having a rough day, but it could be a highly volatile day because the futures market's going to open. The stock market's bearish. The equity markets are bearish. The Fed is making money more tight and expensive, which makes risk assets and the tech sector and money losing and non-money making companies, which crypto is the leader of that, as not money making companies and money losing companies, because the only way these coins make money is that the price goes up and the creator of the coin can sell it for a higher and higher price, right? Nobody generates any revenue. XRP doesn't generate revenue, but you can see we're coming to these critical support zones. If we look at the 3-hour time frame, and if we breach this double bottom from the other day, as the volume comes back in, as the day progresses, and we march and march minute by minute closer to the futures opening around the world, and that initiates massive capital, you could have a big flush. This could be setting the stage for a big flush on the open where you lose 10 or 15% across the board, right? Or you could be holding a double bottom and you gain 5 to 10% across the board as the market opens, and you pump up into this upper resistance of the 200-day, or an XRP, this green ring that's a critical green ring, but it used to be a blue ring until I changed my color scheme. But I'm hedging that. Not hedging, but I'm thinking more along the lines of we might have a big fall as the futures market comes and opens up, right? You can see Bitcoin is also breached its low in this consolidation after that big hook-nosed Jew bearish Fed reversal pattern. Then we had this consolidation, and yesterday we broke through it, right, and came down to the next level. And Bitcoin could do the same thing. If you look at a long farther out, scaled out, you could, as the futures open, you could get a little tick up, but then you just flush immediately and drain down to your underneath support at 32,668. And I think that's very plausible today. And with our industry exclusive, YouTube only and made famous measuring tool, you can see that would be a quick 5.99% or $2,076.34. Right, and that's what I would be looking out for there. And across the rest of the board, you got Cardano. You're one small step away from breaching this low the other day and breaching lows from back further at the same area, and your flash crashing down 16% or 11 cents down to the 62 cents, or the bottom of the orange support zone. And as we know, the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together to the shit house, which, as we know, as we went over Cardano extensively, there's not a lot of volume traded between the orange support zone and the top of the shit house and the bottom of the last line of defense at 63 cents. And we've made warning, if you breach the 63 cents with our volume indicator when we went over it and showed you it, you have a 50% crash that will happen seemingly instantaneously. As fast as it happened over here on the upside is as fast as you're going to flush back through that on the downside. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.